Talking about the individual students that will use the internet connection or our computer laboratory, they are allowed to use our computer laboratory. They are given equal opportunity in in using our computer laboratory. And talking about if all students will answer the assignment through Quipper, actually it depends upon the teacher. If the teacher gives an assignment through or using Quipper School, then the students are required to answer the assignment through Quipper. And they are given an hour to use our computer laboratory based on the schedule given by our ICT coordinator.
Teachers, and so far my experience with Quipper was good. It was not really, it was not that good, but I guess you could say it's an average program, and it's very helpful to students such as myself because it not only adds to our grades, but it also adds to our knowledge. And Quipper is very useful. Though I can say that there's the issue with the internet connection because some students don't have internet access at home, but still it's a doable program. It's very good. It's very helpful to us as students, and yeah, it has some faults. Yeah, my classmates agree. Quipper does have some faults. Sometimes when we answer our assignments, it doesn't have the right answer, so we would have to skip the question and answer the rest of the questions in order to gain a perfect score. But yeah, Quipper is very useful, it's helpful to us, and that's what matters though.